Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. First, I want to say happy birthday to my daughter Serena. She's 26 today. Okay, today I am making whiskey butter shrimp. And it's got a bit of a Cajun flair. So let me show you what I got going on. And there's my shrimp recipe. There's the whiskey and some of the goodies I'm going to be prepping here after I get done talking to you. And today I'm also preparing and putting together all these spices and herbs are going to be making my personal Cajun seasoning blend. So that's what I've got going on today. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. And don't forget, we've got a third 3-ingredient challenge where you, the members, will be doing the cooking. Have a great day, have some great food, and have fun cooking.